Welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today I just created this really neutrally warm glowy makeup, and so if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade Silk Cream, which is just a very light neutral brown shade. I'm going to saturate my brush with that. So next I'm going to take my Morphe M441 and I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette again and take the shade Butter, which is the same tone, just a tad bit darker. Actually, probably a little bit warmer. It's more of one of those like orangey transition shades. I'm just like trying to put the majority of the product in and diffuse it upwards. So now I'm going to take the same palette and I'm going to take the shade Roxanne, which is a deeper burnt orange. I'm going to take a shimmery shade by Anastasia called Amber. It's not as reflective as I would like. So to line my eyes, I'm going to take the Maybelline eyeliner in Blackest Black. And the purpose of this isn't for like a wing or anything, but I just want to be able to hide the lash band of the lashes that I'm going to use. I need a new eyeliner because I had the, like one that's not a gel liner. I had the Kat Von D tattoo liner and it dried out within like 2 weeks. Now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm going to take my Telescopic Carbon Black mascara and just coat my lashes. So for my lashes, I actually just picked these up like an hour before this, and they are the Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink collection in the style Gala. It will. There's a lot of shine, but they're really, really pretty. And I'm going to take my Duo Paint On Lash Glue and trim these down and add them. They are cute. So I'm going to take my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream and put that under my eyes. Just adds moisture and kind of cancels out any under eye, or it helps to cancel out any under eye discoloration. And the foundation that I think I'm going to use today, it might be a little too dark, it is the So I'm just continuing to take that foundation. Okie doke. So in order to, I need to color correct some of the darkness that's under my eyes. So I'm taking the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector and using my finger to diffuse a lot of it, just so that my beauty blender doesn't soak it up. And then just taking my beauty blender for the edges. So now I'm going to take my concealer . And when I place concealer on top of this Becca product, I like to blend it out sooner rather than later, because I find that certain concealers can blend a little weird if you wait too long on top of it. Like it can almost like speed up the dry down process and make it difficult. But this concealer is pretty hydrating, and it doesn't dry down really, so maybe it's not the same. I forgot how good this corrector is. I saw it in someone's video last night when I was watching YouTube, and I remembered that I had like a full one on my vanity. It really brightens and corrects, especially, I'm talking about the concealer, especially with that corrector underneath it, which I like a lot. So then I'm going to take my same concealer in Butterscotch by Too Faced. The tough part is not getting it in my hair extensions. And I just kind of like squeeze the beauty blender down like that, so it creates a better shape to blend out stuff over here that you want in a very like specific spot.
That's good.
And then I just take the part that has leftover concealer and I come around and fuse the edge. Come by my mouth and underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to powder. So I'm going to take my under eyes, the Rimmel Stay Matte powder that I used earlier. I'm going to make sure that the concealer is not built up in any creases under my eyes, so I don't want to set those creases. And I'm going to my under eyes. I'm going to take a big powder brush from the Jaclyn Hill brush collection. To bronze, I'm going to take my JH02 brush and my Benefit Cheek Braid. First, take the Hoola Lite. So to get some extra glow before I do highlighter, I'm going to take the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in the shade Glow. And I'm going to take a lighter brush, less dense, big fluffy brush. This is some random milk brush. I'm going to dust that. It just like, I don't know, it adds so much back into the skin after you've just mattified it like me. And then I like to take this, even use like a little bit to my entire face, which I know a lot of people, especially people with oily skin, won't want to do, but I have really dry skin. So for my blush, I'm going to take the MAC MAC Extra Dimension blush in Just a Pinch, which is a very peachy color. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill 06. Then, before I do my highlighter, I want to do my eyebrows. This is a scam because I just did them. Okay. Precisely my brow pencil from Benefit, and I only have a little tiny bit. Last thing before I spray my face and I do highlighter in my lip is I want to do my lower lash line. After doing the lash line, I'm going to take the Telescopic mascara. Actually, no, I'm going to wait on that, spray my face, and do my highlighter first, or else it's going to get all over me. Hair back. I have my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I don't think I even have enough to spray my face, but we're going to try. So I, again, am going to take this kind of fluffier angled brush, and I'm going to dab in here, tap off the excess, perfect. I really like the way that looks. So we can finally add our under eye mascara. Okay, perfect. So for my nude lip that I want to do, I'm going to take the NYX retractable lip liner in Natural, which is my usual, and MAC matte lipstick in the shade Yash, and then the Gilded Lip Gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then add some of the Yash. So I'm going to add some. So I think that is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and being here as I try to figure out what I'm doing with makeup, and it turned out it was going to be this, and I'm really happy with it. I'm just gonna head to the gym now and sweat it all off and take a shower.